Feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To update AWS CLI from version 1 to 2, first, uninstall AWS CLI version 1. This can typically be done via your system's package manager, e.g., pip uninstall AWS CLI for Python installations. Then, download and install AWS CLI version 2 by following the official instructions on the AWS website. Ensure to download the appropriate installer for your operating system. The installation process involves running a downloaded script or using a package manager command, such as brew install AWS CLI for macOS. Verify the installation by running AWS version in your terminal.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.